Assalamu alaikum student. Hope you are fine. Student, week 15 professional practice our course, and in this week student we will discuss about the social media. Okay, now just uh, yes, that's some learning objects that we will be covered in this week. First of all, student, we will be understand about the social network, social media, how do people use them, and what are the some of their uh, practical business uses. Secondly, student, you will be able to understand what are the some of the key ethical issues associated with the use of social networking websites. Third, we will find some virtual life community and what are the some of the ethical issues associated with such of community. Okay, social media networks and how people will be use them, what is the proper correct use of these websites, these blogs, and how it will be helpful for the businesses and a common person, and what are the ethical issues that will be have to link to the social networking, and plus some virtual platform, some community that will be useful for the people, and people are sharing their ideas, and again the ethical issues related to these kind of communities. Okay, student, these are our learning objects of week 15. Fine. Now we will start properly with the social media network. Yes, you are, I guess, already familiar about the social media networking websites and some social media communities, but here with the course, we just going to be discuss some important aspects and discuss some that thing that you will be maybe interesting. Social network student, that's a website that create an online community of internet user that enable member to break down the barriers of time, distance, and culture differences. Again, that's a website that create an online community of internet users, just for internet users, okay, that enable member to break down their barriers of time, their distance, and culture differences. I mean to say, if I am in Pakistan, but I can be a talk with my friend who are not in a Pakistan, maybe in a UK, in Saudi Arabia, in Dubai, in Australia, and in my family member. Okay, so that the basically a platform, that's a website. You can be the break down the barrier, distance, and cultural values. Social networking websites allow people to interact with others online by sharing opinion, insights, information, interest, and experiences. Okay, it is also a major thing that social networking website will be help people to interact with people, other friends, to sharing their ideas, opinion, insight, information, interest, and experiences they want. And if we talk about the member of an online social media, that may be use the site to attract with the friend, family members, and colleagues. People they are already know, but they may also make use of the site to develop new personal and professional relationship. Okay, some people are maybe they are know already, but some are the new one, but behalf of their personal behalf of their common ideas, they become a friend. Okay, they get a good relation. Okay, these are some logos of personal media, and I guess much of them you are familiar, like that will be show the which one, Facebook. Okay, and what is this, that show the Instagram, and this one very popular, your YouTube, okay, your tutors, okay. These are the basically that's the LinkedIn, okay. That's are some social websites and their logos, and you are familiar about these. And now we will discuss about what their importance and why the people are basically create them. Social media attraction. Social media is everywhere, but not all platform work for every businesses. Yes, or maybe you are agree and not, but I agree on this that social media is everywhere, but not all platform work for the every business. It is not necessary that if that maybe the 20 websites of social media and you are using 20, maybe you are using two, maybe you are using three, okay, that is depend on your business, your interest. Now the find out the which of these top 10. Here I'm basically rank the top 10 social media platform will work best for the audience, for your audience. Social media is a pillar of many people daily lives. There are 4.65 billion, social media user on the planet. 4.65. That 58.7% of global population. That is the overall, overall population, and from which 58.7 or approximately you can say that 60% of a global population people are using the social media. Okay. Many of whom are using the social media as a primary source of information. Okay. For like for from news as a disinformation of lifestyle for the users to lifestyle step decision making to the product research. Social media users can gather all the information they need without ever leaving their platform of a choose. Okay, that are just for the news purpose, or approximately I guess in United States, 84% of Americans use at least one social media network. And according to China report, 1 billion social media users, despite still having the 4.5 million citizens with the internet access, just but 1 billion social media users are there. Okay. If we talk about from news, okay. Now the further is the for marketing perspective. For marketing perspective, that's the some ranging like these are more just eye-catching number. They are potentially customer, and if you are have a proper social media strategy and a website, they can become a realize their loyal customer. That is just the from news, but I'm discussing about for market perspective that they are just capture their customer. Okay. Unfortunately, that is a just for the easy hanging out the single on a Facebook and waiting for business come rolling it. You have to strategy to raise brand awareness, connect with the potential customers, and engage with your audience. And as a key part of that is being at the right place. Okay, that's for the marketers. For example, if you are selling the retirement homes, or the TikTok probably is not the place of you. Why? Why that TikTok is not a place for if you are discussing the retirement homes plan? Because 47% of user are under 30. 47% user are under 30. The mostly teenage people are there and they have no interest of the home retirement in a home. Okay. So why that is just like we discussing social media is everywhere, but again, not every platform work for every business. Okay. Now I am the targeting a chart. I am showing the chart with you people, just the business and their users, these top 10 social media. Yes, student, look here. Social media platform comparison compare Facebook, YouTube on a number one. Facebook, that's the 2.9 billion users. Okay, that is a 2.9 million users. And their revenue are the monthly annual users, but the revenue is the $85.96 billion, and that will be launched in 2004. And the headquarters is the Menlo Park, CA. But the main thing we are need to be focused in 2004, that is a launch, and right now their revenue is just 85.96 billion. Secondly, YouTube, that has a 2.2 billion and users, and the revenue is at 28.8 billion, and it will be launched in 2005. If we talk about the WhatsApp, it has a 2 billion users and 5.5 billion is the revenue, and launched in 2009. Instagram, 2 billion users and 24 billion revenue. Okay, and 2010 it will be launched. TikTok, 1 billion and 11 billion is the revenue. 2016 launching data. And Snapchat, 2011, 1.06. The newly one, and users are 538. And on a number 7, Pinterest, 44 million users and 575 million. And these are the Twitter, LinkedIn, different social media websites, and their monthly users and their revenue are given. Okay, their headquarters are and their launching date are given there. That is the people how much earning from their websites. You can just view their Facebook and WhatsApp, Instagram on a daily basis. We are using these maybe the 4 and 5, everyone from your class and any, who are the listener, I guess 4 to 5 application are using. Okay. Now further we will be in further session we will be discuss about some detail about Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, why they create these social media platform, what the purposes of these, and how the people are basically using it. Okay, that's session 1 is ending now, and next session we will discuss about their main purposes and their scope. Allah Hafiz for this session.